Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I'm back with something kind of cool. Today we're talking MagSafe. That's right, MagSafe with our good friends over there from Nomad, and check this out. I have the MagSafe mount stand. This thing is an absolute beast. Now with its vertical orientation, you can still charge in portrait or landscape, and the weighted mount keeps the charger anchored to the desktop. On top of that, at the very bottom, there are rubber feet, so when you're pulling your phone off or placing it on, it won't slide around on you. How cool is that, right? Right, okay. Then I also have the MagSafe mount, and it's just a beautiful work of art, pretty much. And yeah, you're gonna go ahead and put your MagSafe charger inside. That's right, it's super solid, super heavy, and it's great because that way when you take your phone off, the whole MagSafe charger won't come up with it. So yeah, don't worry, we're gonna get into that as well. I also have the rugged leather cases here for the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, and the 12 Pro Max in black. Yeah, the rugged brown is my favorite, but they're all awesome. But these have the MagSafe technology, you know, built in, so you'll get that rapid 15 watts charging. Not bad. Okay, last but not least, I have the glasses strap for all my Airtag homies out there. Now these will go on your sunglasses or reading glasses, whatever, and no more losing your glasses. You'll just slap the Airtag in there, boom, and you'll be good to go. Now also here I have the leather keychain. You go ahead and put the Airtag right inside there and this will go on your keys. Now you want to know what's really awesome about both of these is I'm giving them both away. That's right. Stay tuned towards the end of the video. I'll tell you how to enter to win the giveaway. You know, I like giving away stuff to you guys. Pretty cool. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it, get into it, and all right guys. All right, so I got all the MagSafe goodies right here, and let's start with the MagSafe mount stand. Push this stuff aside, and yeah, if I'm not mistaken, this is like 595 grams. I don't know, maybe that's a little over a pound or something like that. Zinc alloy frame, no slip rubber feet on the bottom. And yeah, I'm excited. Okay, ooh, wow, look at that. Take this out of here. Yeah, this is solid, this is heavy. Okay, let me bring this in a little bit closer for you to see. All right, so here it is a little closer, and if I'm not mistaken, this is just one pure solid piece of zinc here, and wow. And now this whole bottom piece here is all rubber, so like I said, it won't slip or anything like that when you're placing your phone there. Okay, right, it just sounds solid, like well made, good craftsmanship, you know what I mean? Okay, let me go ahead and put my MagSafe charger in there. Okay, so there it is. I just sat it in there, didn't peel off the tape, but as you could see, you'd need to in order for this to stay and have that nice snug fit, especially when you're pulling off and on your phone. So yeah, let's try it in the horizontal position. And as you can see, it's charging my phone, and there we are getting that rapid 15 watts. And yeah, go ahead and take my phone off. Let me make it go to sleep again, and let's go ahead and put it in the vertical position. And as you can see, charging just fine right there. Now, how cool does that look? Sitting on your desktop, even in the kitchen, nightstand, you just put it there, you're good to go, no more worrying about it. I just like the way it looks. It's sleek, minimalistic, and let's be honest, no matter where you put it, it's gonna look great. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at that MagSafe mount. Okay, let's jump right into this. Got my box cutter here. Now this thing is heavy. I'm gonna say, yeah, pound and a half maybe, and this is pure stainless steel, my God. Okay, it's heavy guys, trust me. And here it is right here. Let me go ahead and bring it in a little closer. Okay, so here it is a little closer, and as you can see, you guys already know, just excellent craftsmanship. That's what you get from Nomad, and this is all rubber on the bottom, so this won't slide, but this is so heavy, I really can't see this sliding anyways. But yeah, the magnet is so strong on the MagSafe charger. If you don't have something this heavy, it will just pull it up whenever you go to take your phone off, and that's not good for anybody. So yeah, let me put this in there, and then we'll see how that looks charging and not charging. But yeah, just giving you a better look at this, and wow, it's phenomenal. And this has the same adhesive tape. Peel that off right there. and then go ahead and put your MagSafe charger in there. Okay, let's go ahead and put this in there. Oh yeah, that thing is snug. Yeah, there's no way that's coming out, even if you don't use the adhesive. All right, let me plug this in. All right, it's all plugged in. Let's go ahead and sit this here. Okay, and as you can see, it's getting that rapid 15 watts of charging. This thing is rock solid. And the way it's built, like I said, it's snug in there even if you don't use the adhesive. So it's up to you, but yeah, and I'll go ahead and pull up my phone here and it doesn't even move. Now this, you guys know this magnet is strong. If I were to just lay it on my desk here and then place my phone and lift up my phone, it's gonna come right up with my phone. But as you can see with this rock solid piece of hardiness, this Beastmaster, it's not going anywhere. That's cool. I like this. You know, we have an entryway table. A lot of times I dump stuff that I have in my pocket and place my phone there. And this will be a great place for when I just come in the house. Boom, I'll pop it there. It'll go ahead and charge and then I'll go ahead and forget about it. I like this. Very cool. Good for the guests too. You know, they can charge. All right, let's hop into these rugged cases. Okay, here are both of the rugged cases. Now I have the iPhone 12 Pro and I love the brown. I have to say that's my favorite color with their cases. I always get the brown. And as you can see on the inside of there is the MagSafe stuff built in. So we'll just go ahead and pop my phone in here. And I'm so happy they came out with this. Now I'll get that rapid charging like I want without having to physically plug in, you know? And yeah, here's the MagSafe and I'll just go ahead and put it there. And as you can see, it's rock and roll time. Okay, how cool is that? And let me bring this in closer because I just love the rich brown. Okay, so here it is a little closer so you could see, and sorry I have to hold it at this angle, otherwise it will reflect a lot of the light and you won't see the rich, nice chocolate brown on the back here. And don't forget, the longer you have this, the more rugged and authentic it will look. Yeah, it'll start to age, if you will, and start to patina and give it more of a rugged leather look. And it's actually pretty cool. This also has that built-in magnet array for MagSafe compatibility. And you know, all their stuff is from the Horween Leather Company in Chicago. And that's pretty cool. And the internal bumper for 10-foot drop protection. What? Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the black one. Here it is for the Pro Max. Open this up and I'll bring this in a little closer. And yeah, as you guys can see there, nice black, and I'll put the brown next to it. You could clearly see the difference, right? Also in size. So yes, these are available on their website, as you see on the screen right there. Okay, next up is the leather keychain and the glasses strap. All right, coming in closer, here is the leather keychain. Let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, would you look at that? Okay, and I have a Airtag right here. And we're gonna go ahead and drop this in. Now, I believe at the top here, there are magnets, a nice soft magnet enclosure up here. Okay, take it, drop in your Airtag, have your keys, put on your keychain, and you're good to go. Right, how cool is that? You see the nice Nomad logo right there. And once again, all of their leather products by the one and only Horween Leather Company out of Chicago there. I think they've been doing leather like 100 years or something like that. Something crazy like that. So they know what they're doing. Okay, let me grab the glasses strap. Okay, the glasses strap. Okay, see that there? And yeah, let's pull this out. Okay, got it out of the packaging here. Now also they have different fittings that you could put on, you know, depending on the glasses that you have. And those will go ahead and go on at the ends. As you see, they'll just slide right into here. and you're good to go. So depending on your sunglasses, reading glasses, or whatever you got, bifocals, that's what tip you'll put on for your glasses. So it's kind of universal. It'll work for whatever kind you have. But the main thing that's important is you don't want to lose them. For those of you that have sunglasses or reading glasses and all that, this is a godsend. Okay, so it goes in here, and then that's it. You're rocking and rolling. Kind of cinch it up, tighten it around your head, around your neck, what have you. And the nice Nomad logo right there. So this is a braided nylon paracord strap. And this just pops in and out, you know. This holder here is a pop in, pop out for your Airtag. Okay, so that is the glasses strap, and you wanna know how to enter the giveaway? Simple. All you gotta do is send me a tweet. My Twitter name is on the screen right there, and just say, I want that glasses strap, or I want that leather keychain. Just go ahead and tweet me either one of those, and I will go ahead and send it to you. I will randomly pick 2 winners and send it to you. As long as when you get it, you just send me a picture and tag me in the picture saying, hey, I got it. And that's it. All right, guys.